Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I wanted to do a winter inspired eye look. I live in Minnesota. It's winter for like 6 to 8 months out of the year. We really only have from like June, if we're lucky, to like September-ish before it really starts getting like cold and gross and just unbearable. So today I just wanted to do a look inspired by winter, so this is what I came up with. So if you'd like to go ahead and see how I did this, then just keep on watching. I'm going to go ahead and start by priming my eyelids, and then I'm going to go into my Urban Decay Full Spectrum palette, and I'm going to go into the color Blindsided, and I'm going to be putting that throughout my crease, and then in the inner and outer corners to make the halo eye that I'm going to be doing today. And then I'm going to go in with the color Minx, and then I'm going to be putting that on the outer V of my eyes. Then I'm going to go ahead and prime the center part of my lid with the primer again, and I'm going to be putting the color Blimp in the center to create our halo eye. Don't forget to blend out your eyes so that there's no inconsistencies, but also because you want it to seem seamless and flawless when you're done with the look. I've already got my primer on, which is a Tatcha Silk Canvas primer, and then I'm going to be also putting on the Smashbox Primer Water. I'm going to go in with an Essence mascara, and I'm going to be putting that all over my lashes. And then I'm going to go in with my Too Faced Born This Way foundation in the color Warm Beige, and I'm going to be putting that all over my face. And then I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape and just kind of highlight the high points of my face as well. I'm going to go ahead and set my face with the Tarte Shape Tape Finishing Powder, and then I'm going to go ahead and bronze my face with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in the color Sunkissed Bronzer. I'm going to take my Milani Tea Rose blush, and I'm going to be putting that all over the apples of my cheeks. And finally, I'm going to be taking my Smashbox highlighting palette in the Smashbox Casey Holmes collaboration, and I'm going to be highlighting the high points of my face and on my nose. Then I'm going to finish off with some Smashbox Primer Water, and this look is all done. I lied. I'm going to go and put the color Rescue from Palladio Beauty and Casey Holmes on my lips to finish off the look. Alright, that is going to be it for today's video. If you liked the video, don't forget to feel free to subscribe. Otherwise, if you wanted to give the video a thumbs up, that'd be awesome. I will see you next time for my next video. Bye.